Dear students, today I will discuss one very important topic of organic chemistry, which is carbocation. As you know, the carbocation is a reaction intermediate. In this carbocation, carbon bears a positive charge and 6 electrons in its valence shell. For example, CH3 plus CH3 CH2 plus this is methyl carbocation, this is ethyl carbocation. The carbon atom bearing the positive charge is sp2 hybridized. This carbon p orbital is vacant. If you compare the stabilities of different carbocations, then we can write, suppose this is tertiary carbocation where the carbon atom bearing the positive charge has 3 methyl group around it. It is highly stable. Which is more stable than the methyl carbocation. Here the stability of the carbocations are determined by its structure. Again, you should know one thing, that means the structure of the carbocation is flat. Here, this is the flat structure. The allyl and benzyl carbocation, allyl and benzyl carbocations are resonance stabilized. If we see the C6H5 triphenyl methyl carbocation, then here the extensive dispersal of positive charge is taken place, so it is very stable. That means due to the presence of triphenyl group around the carbon atom bearing the positive charge. Let us discuss two methods of preparation of carbocation. Number 1, preparation. Number 1 is 2C6H5 C. This is triphenyl methyl chloride. In presence of H2SO4, it will form this is the carbocation. Number 2, this is propene. When extract a proton, we get CH3, CH plus, CH3. This is 2 degree carbocation. These are the methods of preparation of carbocation.